Turn over, right? Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today we're replacing this with that. Can you see it?
Kind of.
Okay, so what you're gonna need, maybe an extension, a socket, 13 millimeters. We're gonna come under here, right here, and the bolt is right here. I have a seat cover on it. It's hard to see it. Can you? Right there. See it? Okay. I'm untightening. Can't tighten this. This is one of the easiest upgrades you can get if you can ever find a new one that's in good condition. It's almost slipping off so much. Okay, get it loose. Grab this. You just use my handy dandy dual action socket wrench. If y'all have watched before, sounds amazing. Mine is a Boss Stitch. They don't make them anymore, but there are other brands just like it. They probably made this design. Okay, there you go. Watch out, I'm going around over here. It's directly across from it. The problem is that mat, sir. Can you lay it on the ground there? And then face it up. And then with my hand. All the way in the carpet. You have to throw all the way in the carpet. Down now with the lean upwards. There is the bolt, right? There. It's behind this metal bracket that you're seeing. Okay? It's right there. Come on here. Okay, we got switch sides. Okay, pause it. It's right here. Yeah. And you really, it's so easy. You don't even need to see what you're doing. You just gotta do it by feel. I'm just gonna keep slipping off on you though. It will. Person. Can you pull that wrench? Pull it towards you. Pull it. Pull. There you go. Okay, once you break it free, you're good. What if the other bolt on that seat?
No idea.
It was there. Okay. Sometimes the reason I'm doing this video, I'll show you in a second. It's like, why are you showing me this? It's kind of easy. So most people go to the junkyard, and I can find it. All the vehicles are done this way. Would you agree? Like half of them, they're torn out wrong. Yes or no? When you go with me.
Yeah.
You go with me every time I go. All right. So. Anthony, carry on. So what happens is there's a bolt here, and there's a bolt like that on the other side. Everybody thinks they can screw that. They can pull this out. They can pull this out. Why is it all blurry? Oh, it flips. Okay, they pull this out. It went to, yeah, me. I don't know how I did it in the middle of recording. They try to do that and just pull it out. And what happens is there's actually a metal arm that comes out of this thing right here and goes all the way up here. So if you pull it, you're going to rip the whole seat up. And everyone, 80% of them at the junkyard look that way because people think that that's what they're going to do. And they don't. And they ruin them. So that's how they get messed up. On top of so many are ruined already for just being armrested. So we're going to show you here. I'm going to go around the back. There's the same bolt. It's actually in less. It's right here. Right on the bracket by the seat belt. Right here. Just pause it. You're not ready. You got the light on? Nope. Turn on. Okay, guys. So there it is. Can you see the bolt? Okay. There's one right on the other side. For me, this sucks. My seat only goes that far forward, and I got a big belly. That's in the way. This keeps slipping off on me. Nope, still too much. Another time where this comes in handy. So I can just crank the handle and we're out. So I'm going to come around to that side and get the bolt that's on there. A little more room over here for my belly. Slide this seat up so I can get in here. See the bolt right there? Mm-hmm. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Okay. And that's what they look like. And like I said, it's just it. Like, when I get done, you're gonna be like, no way. I'm like, it really is that easy. I could change seats every day. This one's a little tighter than that one was. Tighter. All right, that is the fourth bolt. As you can see, they're nice and long. Get your seat in place. But after that, you just take it. Now, the seat is caught. The seat cover is mounted all the way around, so it will have to be taken off to do that. There you go. Connected. And so, what are we caught on?
Nothing, I don't think.
What?
I don't think you caught on anything.
Is the seatbelt folded through there? We're definitely caught.
Oh, seatbelt.
There it is.
Yep.
Okay. Latched itself in place. Alright. The rest of us got out of here. Careful no back. It's down if you got them where I do. As you can see, that's it. These are here. Clean it off. Clean system. So that A-frame there, as you can see, needs to go back in like X frame, H, whatever. H.
I.
Yeah, I. Okay. This here is for the rear cup holder. There was a rear cup holder that went in there. Okay. And that's what that's for. You don't have to have it. The other vehicle that I took it out of did not have it. What's that say? The Coco Esco revision?
I don't know.
I don't know, right? Kind of awkward.
Yeah.
So now what we're gonna do is make sure the seat belts are up here. And this is the one. That's it, the seat belt there. This is the buckle. And you got the seat belt there. Where is it? Way under. Okay, so let's get all them up out of the way. We slide it back in. I almost fell. So make sure those holes line up. Okay, and then find find that hole, which is right there on my finger. This is gonna be the hardest part, trying to find the holes by just finger guessing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to go that one first. I can get in there the most. I can almost lay down here. I got it. I'm gonna do this. Let's slide it through the hole. And then I'm gonna bring this back on it. Maybe. Maybe not. I'm being a baby and being wimpy because, like I said, I crushed my finger earlier and it hurts. Cut me open while I was doing the bumper. Okay. There we are. In. It's just one though. Okay. I'm gonna lightly do each one so that I can maneuver it around, wrestle it while I do it. Oh, fat boy. Eating snacks, guys. Do me a favor. Don't let yourself get this fat. You won't be able to get in the seats. You won't be able. Okay, right here. Can you see? I'm going right here, and I'm already in.
No, I can't see.
Okay, see the bolt right there. Slide through the metal, lift it up, and look. Get your head in there. And then you get the two back ones. Will make your front ones much easier. Because those you may not be able to get in all the way and see like you can here. Okay? Stay back there. You don't have to go up here. Same thing as we did. Same thing for up here. You want me to hand the camera out home? Okay, guys. Okay. There's the hole right there. And just tighten it in place, okay? There's one. And here's two. I know it's a little jumpy, guys, and mess, you know, but there's not much I can do. I mean, it's just not a lot of room to work here. See this bracket? This one? This is where it's at. You gotta find the hole. And tighten it in. There it is, okay? Much better angle now that this one doesn't have the car seat cover, okay? So that's where they are. See it? Right there. Right there. We'll be back in a minute. Here you go. Take this.
You're still videoing?
Yep. Okay. I'm going to tighten these ones up in the front. You don't really need to watch me. But that's it. And as you can see, look, this one at the junkyard, look, almost all of them, when they're whole, have dents. Do you agree?
Soft spots.
Like soft spots bad. This one was like the best I've ever seen. It said repo.
The carpet's still soft, too.
The carpet in
Carpet
that one?
on it.
That one, yeah. We thought about taking the seats. The seats were the Laramie like this. They're softer, more plush. I put a SLT or something model in because it sits up higher because it's harder cushioning. And maybe it would hold up longer than the softer because that one mine ripped to shreds, half the seat off if you watch that video. Gone. Right? Like half it gone. But then it would have matched everything. But if you look, I switched the door panels, which match that design anyway. From the Laramie to the SLT. That's it. I mean, let's look at this though. So spiffy, so spiffy. All new. Oh, look at this carpet. Look inside. Almost none of them look like that.
Yeah.
A little cushion carpet. That is nice. That's look at it. Damn thick.
The car only had
130 miles on it. 130,000.
Yeah.
It was a Title Max repo, so I didn't know Title Max would give you loans on something this old. But I guess they did. Don't do that, people. You lose your vehicle, even when it's an old one. So yeah, that's it. That's my video. You just tighten them all up after you get all four in by hand. Not much else to show. Seatbelt, seatbelt, seatbelt. I'm gonna put that cover back on just to protect the seat because it's nice. Hope this helps you a little. Junkyards. You just gotta go back. I mean, we went 3 or 4 times before we found it. Same junkyard, the one that had the most Dodges. We went to some other junkyards actually first, and they didn't have many Dodges, so it was a pain. If you look, we got these seats. which are nice and clean. I got this. We got this glove box. We got this, and we got that one, but I didn't realize that it was ripped, or I ripped it maybe after I got it, that visor. I feel like putting my other visor back up. That one was ripped. We should have took the headliner out of it. It was perfect. I was like, no, ours is okay, which it is, but it's sagging a little, but it holds. It's a work truck, so no matter what, we're gonna make it dirty. We work in this all day, every day. We clean it out, but it's a mess. If you saw this mess on the floor, that actually came out of our other armrest, because I have a lot of bolts and tools that I keep in there, because we lose and break stuff at work all the time when we need them. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you're watching, I might put this video up with the dash bezel. You see, I've tried to glue that metal frame I made to hold that together. We'll see. Check back. I got a lot of little upgrades on this vehicle that we've done. Just did that bumper a minute ago. Placed the quarter panel on that side. We're gonna get a grill. We got a grill bracket if you need to know how to do that. Shocks, catalytic converter. Getting ready to do a muffler. Yeah, that's it. So please like, subscribe. Got a little bit of help right now. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.